Hey everyone! Today I'm spilling the tea on some top eyeshadow hacks you absolutely need to know to take your makeup game to the next level. Trust me, these tips will have you looking like a pro in no time, so let's dive right in. Alright, first things first. Always start with a good eyeshadow primer. This little magic potion helps your eyeshadow stay vibrant and crease-free all day long. If you don't have a primer, don't worry. A dab of concealer will do the trick. Next up, let's talk about blending. Blending is key to achieving that seamless, professional look. Use a fluffy brush and blend out the edges of your shadow in a windshield wiper motion. Remember, patience is your best friend here. Now, if you want your eyeshadow colors to really pop, apply a white or nude base all over your lid before your colored shadows. This trick helps the pigment stand out and gives you that vibrant, bold look. Here's a fun one. Ever struggled with fallout? Try doing your eye makeup before your foundation. That way you can clean up any mess without ruining your base. Or if you prefer doing your face first, hold a tissue under your eye to catch any fallout. Moving on to a perfect cut crease. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Use a small flat brush and a bit of concealer to carve out the shape on your lid. Then pack on a shimmery or bold color to make that crease pop. Voila! Instant glam. Ever wanted to make your eyes look bigger? Use a light, shimmery shade on the inner corners of your eyes and under your brow bone. This highlights and opens up your eyes, giving you that wide-awake look. And let's not forget about using the right tools. Brushes can make or break your look. Invest in a few good quality brushes. A flat shader brush, a blending brush, and a small detail brush are must-haves. For those of you who love a smoky eye, here's a tip. Start with a dark base, like a black or dark brown pencil, and smudge it out before applying your shadow. This adds depth and makes your smoky eye look effortlessly chic. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with colors and textures. Makeup is all about creativity and having fun. Try mixing matte and shimmer shades or even adding a pop of glitter for that extra sparkle. Alright beauties, that's it for today's pro eyeshadow hacks. I hope you found these tips helpful and can't wait to see you rocking those stunning eye looks. Remember, practice makes perfect